Hello students, today I will teach you how you can convert an Excel sheet into PDF without changing its formatting. First of all, I will share how you can convert an Excel sheet into PDF because many of you may not know. First of all, you have to go to the Files tab, then go to the Save As format, then Browse, and here you have to rename your file, for example, PDF file, and then here you have to select PDF and then save. This will save your Excel file as PDF. But you see your Excel file is not accurately converted. So to solve this issue, let me share how you can fix it. To go back to our Excel files, you go to Views tab. Views tab, here we select Page Break View. This will show you how your sheet will appear in PDF. These blue lines show you the pages. Now to fix it, you just have to select this blue line and drag it to the end. Now if you save your file as PDF, this will save as it is without changing the formatting. Browse. For example, I will save this as new PDF. Here I select PDF and save. You see, your file saved as it is without changing the formatting. This is how you can convert an Excel sheet into PDF without any error. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.